Hello everyone. Well, as far as you can see, I do have it up with OS 7.5.1. Obviously, we're on a CRT, as you can see the scan line go through. I don't have an LCD VGA monitor at the moment, but now that we have this fired up, we're gonna, I don't know if you can see it there, it's a little dark. It's SimCity 2000 for the Mac. This was acquired many, many years ago from a thrift store, and I didn't even have a Mac, but being such a SimCity 2000 fan, I wanted it. As an added bonus, it had the player's guide in it, so that alone was worth getting it. And what we have here are two floppies, so we're gonna see if the floppy drive's still good. I might struggle through this OS because I'm not used to Mac at all. So let's see how well I do with putting in SimCity 2000 Disc 1. I hope it doesn't jam. Disc is in. We got the watch, so maybe it automatically detected it. Let's see what happens here. SimCity 2000, I don't believe it. I just don't know what the Mac OS 7.5 exe is by default. Let's look at the README, see what we get. It's got to be this .cea file, just because there looks like there's nothing else on the disk. So, all right, here we go. Installation instructions. Make a folder on your hard drive called SimCity 2000. Really, I have to do that manually? Yep, that's right, the .sea file. Okay, and then just continue with disk 2. Well, I forgot how much of a pain it was having this one button mouse, but it's what we got, so I'm not going to read through all that. If I get stuck, I'll remember that I can reference it. So, well, it said create the directory. Let's see if I can actually do that. It's grayed out on me. Maybe I have to close the window out first. There we go. Interestingly enough, SimCity 2000 was released for the Mac before it was released for DOS. I think '93 was it was on the Mac first, and then the DOS version came out late '93 or early '94. I can't recall which. But either way, that's just a little bit of trivia for you. There's just about nothing about this game that I do not know. So let's see if the disc actually is still able to be read. Okay, let's find the folder. There's a folder I created. I guess we got extract. This will probably be our test to see if it can still read the disk. Hasn't aired out yet. I don't hear any grinding. So far, so good. Oh, there we go. No surprise there. We'll see what happens if I just hit skip. It might not go anywhere. Well, it skipped and it went back to the normal. Yep, it didn't extract anything. Let's try it. Never read me. I wonder why. Anyway, I'm gonna try to extract this again. I'm sure this is easily found online at like a Mac OS, fan site or something. So it's not too devastating if the floppy doesn't work, and I'm thinking it's not gonna work just because if you've ever dealt with floppies, you know how floppies are. Yep, there we go. Same error. Stop and skip are pretty much doing the same thing. Just for fun, we'll try disk 2, see what happens. If I can find the eject button, because like I said, Apple didn't like to put a manual eject button. I don't know the reason for it, but it's something I always remember. Now I just have to find the eject button. There we go. Eject disk, Command E. Well, the eject mechanism still works. I'm gonna put in disk 2, even though the game won't play. Let's just see what happens. That doesn't sound good. It's unreadable, so that one's completely dead. We'll eject that. So there we go. No SimCity 2000 as of right now, but we were able to get the disk to read, at least the first one anyway, but as you can see, there's no possible way to install the game from the floppies I have. With SimCity 2000 being my favorite PC game, maybe I will search out for the version online somewhere. Maybe burn it to a CD if this CD drive can even read a burnt CD. I don't know. I know a lot of older drives have issues with that, so that doesn't look like it might be promising. There's no USB ports to put in a flash drive. Maybe there's some kind of emulator or peripheral that can be connected to the SCSI port. I don't know, but I'm still just shocked that it's up and running and I can see everything so fine. So anyway, that's no-go on SimCity 2000. We'll fiddle around with the OS in another video, see how things go. See you later.